So far, based on what is happening today, so far as the conflict has subsided and the prices have gone down, parang minimal ang impact sa economy natin. I cannot give you the exact numbers, pero maliit lang talaga yung impact that I don't think it's alarming for our economic managers.
Partikular na pinaghahandaan ng gobyerno ang banta ng pagsasara ng Strait of Hormuz. Nasa 20% ng langis sa buong mundo ay dumadaan dito.
Worst case scenario kasi maubusan tayo ng supply. Tataas talaga yung presyo, no? There are options to do that. Right now we have long-term options, but there are options also in finding other suppliers, finding other routes for our supply. Pero those things, siguro kanina kumalma na rin yung economic team because they've seen that there's a lowering of the prices.
Sa ipinatawag na pulong ni PBBM kasama ang economic team, inalam ng Pangulo ang maaaring maging epekto ng Israel-Iran conflict sa buhay ng mga Pilipino na nasa abroad at maging sa Pilipinas, kung saan kapag tumaas ang halaga ng langis, magtataasan na rin ang pangunahing bilihin